Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start Whop content rewards. We'll walk through how to find content reward programs on Whop and join the one that fits you, with clear tips to keep everything smooth and straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know where to search, what keywords to use, what details to check, and how to choose a content reward program with more confidence. Begin on the Whop home feed. From here, look for Discover in the navigation and click it. Discover is the section you'll use to search through different communities, programs, products, and creator opportunities available on Whop. If you land on a different section, switch to the Discover tab so you're browsing all available products and communities. This helps make sure you're not searching inside a limited area of your dashboard and missing relevant opportunities. Make sure you're signed in to your Whop account so the pages and buttons load correctly. Being signed in also helps you access join buttons, checkout details, and any program pages that may require an active account. Discover is where creators and communities list opportunities, including content reward programs, so it's the best place to start. Content reward programs can be useful if you want to create content, promote offers, participate in campaigns, or earn rewards based on specific program rules. Near the top, click into the search bar that says, "I'm looking for." This search bar helps you narrow down the page quickly instead of scrolling through unrelated listings. Type "content rewards" exactly, since using that phrase helps surface the most relevant listings. Using the right keyword matters, because Whop will show results based on what you type, so a clear phrase gives you a better chance of finding the correct programs. Then press Enter to run the search and load results. After you press Enter, Whop will start pulling up listings connected to content rewards and similar opportunities. Give the page a moment to populate. Sometimes results take a few seconds to fully load, especially if there are multiple listings or filters being applied. You should now see options related to content reward opportunities. These may include creator programs, promotional communities, campaign-based offers, or reward systems connected to specific products or creators. If you don't see strong matches, try small variations like content reward or content rewards program, and keep your spelling precise to improve the results. Small keyword changes can make a big difference, so test a few related phrases if the first search does not show what you're looking for. Scan the results and open the listing that looks right for your goals. For example, if you want to create short-form videos, look for a program that matches that content style. If you prefer written posts, community content, or social promotion, choose a listing that clearly supports that type of work. On the listing page, pause to read the overview so you understand what's required and how rewards work. This is important because every content reward program may have different rules, content requirements, approval steps, and reward conditions. Before you proceed, check the Reviews section. Reviews can help you understand whether other users had a positive experience with the program. Look at recent ratings, read a few comments for authenticity and activity, and pay attention to details about guidelines, payout timelines, and support. These details matter because a good reward program should be clear about what you need to do, when rewards are handled, and how support works if you have questions. Recent specific feedback is especially useful for verifying quality. A detailed recent review is usually more helpful than an older short review because it gives you a better idea of how the program is performing right now. When you're confident it's a good fit, click Join on that page. This moves you forward with the content reward program you selected. If prompted, sign in and review the checkout details to confirm your choice. Even if the program is free, always review the details before confirming, so you understand exactly what you're joining. That's it. By following these steps, you've navigated Whop, found content rewards, verified credibility through reviews, and joined the program that suits you. Now you have a simple process for finding and joining content reward opportunities without guessing where to start. If you ever want to explore more opportunities, repeat the same search flow and discover, keeping your keywords consistent for the best results. You can also compare multiple listings before joining, so you choose the program that best matches your content style, goals, and level of experience.